come and get it.
So let's work with a voltage divider. Normal situation, logged into Particle. I've got the Github site. There's the playlist. In this case, I've got a voltage divider fritzing diagram I got off the community. Basically, wire comes from 3v3 to the two-pronged sensor, in this case a photoresistor, into a02. But we also have from ground, in this case a 220 ohm resistor, into a02. That's the voltage divider situation where you have one resistor, another resistor, and the signal going into the photon between the two resistors. Now this is red, red, brown. If you go to this kind of cool thing, find out that red, red, brown gives you 220 ohms. That's the URL. Now what I've done is I've hooked it together. Here's my photo resistor using snap circuits, really fast, easy to work with. Red goes to 3v3, green goes to a02, yellow goes to my resistor, and in this case I've got a 1K resistor, and black goes to ground. So let's get set up. Here we go. We're doing the voltage divider. In the voltage divider there's only one file. We're going to copy that file. Now this one's quite small. Copy that into Particle. We're going to paste it there. Let's create the new app. Paste it there. Call this a02-voltage divider. Don't forget to save. Let me plug in my photon. Going to be kind of hard to show this one to you because we've got the photoresistor and the snap circuit just kind of hanging down here. So it's breathing cyan, so let's flash the code to it. Check down here. It says it's flashing. My photon's gone cyan. Looks like it's successful. Let's load up the console and see what we've got. I'm going to get my cell phone to Okay, so here we go. Analog reading is 120. Now remember, the analog read is going to read from 0 up to 4095. So let's put a light on this and see if it changes. Great, 2245. Take it off. I'm actually going to put my finger over top of it, see what we get, 2. And that was with the 1K ohm resistor. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to switch this to a 10K ohm resistor because that range was pretty good. It went from basically 2 up to 2000, but let's try it now. First of all, I'm going to block off the photoresistor, see what we get, 18. And then I'm going to shine the LED from my phone on it. I get a much bigger range. Okay, so that's something to be aware of. In the diagram, it showed a 220 ohm resistor. Works fine. It all depends on what you need. Now, we're going from 3v3, so we don't really have to protect the photon. If you were going from a higher voltage, then you would have to research voltage dividers and get the right resistor so that you're not sending a high voltage into the photon. So two-prong sensors, mess around with it, play around with it, change your resistor, see what you get, see what kind of range you get. Now, here's another trick you can do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the ground and the positive right now. And let's see what results we get. I'm still using the 10K ohm resistor, so everything's live. Now, let me first of all block it off. What do you think is going to happen? So it's blocked off. There. Now, when it's blocked off, it's giving you the high numbers. This can just make your math a little easier sometimes. And now I'm going to shine a light on it. And this is using the 10 kilo ohm resistor. Shining a light on it, and it goes way down. Let's just double check this. that goes down. Okay, now it's not blocked off, it's not got an LED on it, it's back high again, which in this case, since I switched the black and the red, it is a higher number. So you can mess around with these numbers based on what you want. So get that going, change AO, change instead of a photoresistor, try some other two-prong sensor, and good luck, have fun.